Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to study science at home. First, let's set up your personal learning zone. Find a quiet spot where you can focus without distractions, perhaps a corner of a room or a dedicated desk. Stock it with basic supplies, a notebook, pens, and maybe some simple items for experiments. Keeping your space tidy and organized will make your study sessions much more effective and enjoyable, helping you dive into science with ease. Next, let's explore how to truly engage with science concepts. When faced with a big topic, break it down into smaller, bite-sized pieces. This makes learning less overwhelming. Leverage the vast array of online resources available, like educational videos that visually explain complex ideas or interactive simulations that let you experiment virtually. Don't forget classic methods like making flashcards or drawing mind maps to solidify your understanding of key terms and relationships. Now, let's get hands-on with some simple home experiments. You can perform many fascinating scientific investigations using everyday household items, like baking soda and vinegar, for a chemical reaction. Always ensure safety first. Remember to meticulously document your observations and results in a dedicated science journal. This practice helps you formulate hypotheses, analyze the outcomes, and truly understand the scientific method, making abstract concepts much more concrete. Finally, it's crucial to review and apply what you've learned. Make it a habit to regularly go over your notes and experiment findings. This reinforces memory and understanding. A fantastic way to test your knowledge is to explain concepts to a friend or family member. If you can teach it, you truly understand it. Look for science in the world around you, connecting principles to everyday phenomena, which makes learning both relevant and exciting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.